Hello everyone, this is Valerie from my Scrap Chick, and I'm putting together our new desktop half-page caddy. This is a new caddy that is actually quite large. It'll hold a half sheet of paper, and it's meant to coordinate with these other two caddies. This one is the A2, and this is our A7, and they're both the same width, so they'll sit nicely on a desk right next to each other. And this new one, the half page, it'll go right next to these two. So let's get started putting this together. And first we're going to have all of our back pieces for the base. And what we're going to have here is, this is the back of the caddy. Here we are going to be adding the two sides with these tabs. And then we're going to add the front and the bottom of the caddy and glue that to these two tabs. And these are the two inserts. This is going to go in the back and this one in the front. And so we'll get started. The first thing we're going to do is putting these two large tabs onto the back base. And so what I want to do first is put some glue along here, and this is going to be adhered to the back of the card base, or excuse me, of the caddy. And I want to line this up and keep this folded so I know that it's going to fit in there. These here are really large pieces, so some of it may not make it into the screen. Okay, so we've got that tab glued, and now we'll glue on the right tab. Same thing, I want to line it up so that these fold lines down here match up, and then this should match up here. And I'm going to keep this folded so that I know I haven't moved this piece over too far. I've done that once. Okay, so there's the back section ready to go. And then we'll add the front and the bottom. And I'm going to put glue on this tab and set this on top. And we do have a piece that's going to go along the bottom to, after these, you know, because we're going to have the tabs on the back here and then one on the bottom, and then we have a back piece or a bottom piece liner that's going to cover up all those tabs. Okay. So we have that ready to go, and now here's the panels that are going to go on the box, and we're going to put this one on the inside, and we're going to flip this whole thing over, and we're going to put another panel on the back side. And each of these panels is two pieces. So we'll put one there. These are on the sides. And then this one is going to go on the very front. So what I need to do, these pieces are already glued together. This one I'm just going to quickly put this together, put some glue around the edges. Going to line this up, the decorative paper, onto the back panel, or onto, yeah, the back panel. Take my squeegee and squeegee that down. And then I'm going to adhere it to this part right here. And when we adhere this, this is the same as the other pieces where it's going to have an equal little border all the way around. And then I want to do that on this, glue these panels to the sides and to the back. I'm not quite getting that lined up there. There we go. And take my squeegee and squeegee that down. And then I'll put on the back. And part of the reason I'm adding another panel, another set of panels here on the very back of the box, it really, really adds to the durability and strength. So this thing's pretty sturdy when it's all put together. Okay, so I have those pieces on. I'm going to go ahead and glue this bottom panel on, and this is going to cover. Actually, no, I'm going to wait, because when I continue folding this in, I'll be covering these two tabs too, so I'll do that last. So I flip it back over, and I will add glue to this front panel here for the inside of the box. Same thing, line this up. Use the squeegee to squeegee it down. And then we're going to assemble these tabs. So what I'm going to do first, I'll put glue on these two tabs. And I'm going to fold this up, and I'm just going to tuck these in right like that and press them down. It's on there good. Did I get that on there good? No. I need to get that a little closer. There. Okay, now I'll take these two tabs and I'm going to glue these to the inside. Oops. And what I like to do is kind of lay it flat like this. And take my hand up in there and push that down. Scoot things up together. That gives it a good seal. So now we have that ready to go, and we're going to add the inserts now. So first, I'll finish putting these two layers together. This is actually going to go on one of the bottom panels. I also included an extra panel. When you're done putting this together, if you want some added strength on the bottom of the caddy, add this to the inside bottom before you put the inserts in. So I'll just do that now, tuck that down in there. Gives it just that much more durability. Okay, now we'll finish adding these panels. line that up. And when I'm all done, I'll put this on the bottom. But for now, we'll work on these inserts. So add your decorative paper to the background panel. And when I insert this, this is going to go in the front insert. These two tabs are going to be folded forward. So when I add this panel, I'm going to add it on this side with the tabs folded forward. Okay, let's put this decorative paper onto the backing. Okay, and this is the back insert, and these two tabs will be folded back. And I'll put this decorative panel on here. When I place this, I'm trying to keep an even border for the black all the way around there. Okay. Now I'm ready to slip this into the back. So what I'm going to do is put glue on these two tabs on the side. I'm going to fold these in so they don't catch on the edges. And that way when I slip it right in there, and these will line up right against the very top on those tabs. And here's what I like to do on this one is grab a ruler and use that to smooth down the sides. Get a good adhesion there. Okay, and now we're ready to add the front tabs. Again, fold these down really good so they're pressed forward. Whoops. And with those forward, I will slip that in there. Fold the tabs over so they line up right on the edges and real snug. And the same thing with this. I'm going to take the ruler edge of that and use that to press down and get a good adhesion. Same on this side. There we go. And then the one last step is going to be adding the bottom. And like I said, this is nice because you can see all the, I don't know if you can see it with this lighting on here, but there's quite a few tabs that are showing. So I'm just going to cover all those up. give it a nice finished look. And that'll go edge to edge. Put my fingers down in there to give it a good push. There you go. And now, this will fit nicely next to your other boxes. You can do them all in the same color or different variations or your favorite prints, but they'll all be the same depth, so they'll fit nicely next to each other. And you could do a couple on this side, a few more on that side, or you can stagger them however you like. And this one, like I said, it will fit a half sheet of standard copy paper. The full width, when it's finished here, is just over 6 inches. So that'll hold up well. And this week, or this month for May, this is a freebie. And I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.